bigat yun, tapos sumasakit daw yung tiyan niya. Palagi kami, si Ate Ems, kapitbahay ko doon dati.
So here we are at the Barnes residence celebrating Thanksgiving. Right now, Mom is preparing. Right now, Mom is preparing the Thanksgiving chicken. So what's your name?
Hi.
Say your name, please.
My name is Bev, also known as Wherever Styles.
Hello, Bev. And then this is Ann.
At Fashion Nerd.
And Berlin. All right. And then last but not least,
Just call me Bren.
just call me who?
Bren.
Brendan. Nice to meet you guys. Welcome to the Barnes residence and welcome to our Thanksgiving celebration. It's not much, but hey, you know, it's a lot to be thankful for, no matter what. So our battery's going dead here in a minute, so we're just going to keep it real short. Yeah, I just noticed the battery's light is flashing, so we're going to kind of keep this one short. But there you have it. What do we got here anyways? Let's take a quick peek.
And the chef.
So what do we got here, hon? Sauce for the spaghetti, extra sauce, spaghetti, extra sauce, cookies because we forgot to buy a dessert. We have no pumpkin pie, no apple pie, but hell, we got butter cookies. So there you go. Spaghetti, extra sauce. We got some ham with pineapple, the Thanksgiving chicken with vegetables, and some pasta, spaghetti noodles.
Yeah.
So we are styling. Yes, indeed, we are. So yeah, it's getting kind of late. It's pushing 8 o'clock, so this is kind of a later Thanksgiving dinner, I guess you could say. Kind of threw it together. Well, I wouldn't say we threw it together at the last minute. You've been kind of working on off and on all day, haven't you, hon?
Yep.
If nothing else, getting the house
I'm just
cleaned up and
just
prepared. So
Okay, help yourself.
yeah, have at it. So anyways,
Sauce na ng chicken.
there you have it. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.
Ngayon, wala.
There we go. Now we're good. See ya.